Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Alright, there's our watercolor piece. It's pretty much finished. It's curling a little bit, so I'm just going to let it sit a while and let it finish drying. Please let me know down below if you liked the quality of this video and if the lighting is good. I would appreciate that. I hope everyone is doing well. Stay happy, be a blessing, subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to thumbs up my videos. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.